to my channel. It's September 18th. It's been a minute. I wanted to start a vlog. I have a lot more things to show you guys. I was gonna do like a mini haul, but I feel like that's all I've been posting right now. I'm about to start working on a look. I'm picking up my desk right now. Look at what I found. I think at CVS. But I got it because, let me get distracted. I got it because I have this. Yeah, it was CVS, but this one was 10. I've been wanting to go to Walgreens to check out all their stuff because I've seen that it's like the 30th anniversary. This is one of the things I've gotten from Amazon. It's a heated eyelash curler. It has 3 different settings. It works amazing. I love it. But if you have lashes that don't hold your curl or have a curl, I guess, this is really good to use because it'll help. It's basically like a little curling iron for your lashes. So I got that. I'm gonna link that below because that one is amazing. I used to use one. I loved it. It's by Touch. I don't know if they still make that, but when I saw this online, I wanted to try it because of the 3 different settings. But this one is by that brand. I've gotten a lot of contacts from this brand. They have regular colored contacts, Halloween contacts. Here's the code here. You can use it. My link is down below also. I tried a face freezy primer from NYX, a cooling primer, and a moisturizer in one. I honestly feel like it does work, and I feel like it minimizes the look of my pores. It says it preps, evens, smooths, minimizes pores, tightens, hydrates, sculpts, softens, calms, and revitalizes. It says it's also infused with snow, mushroom, and niacinamide, and that it has 24-hour hydration. I have dry and sensitive skin, so I like to use things that are not going to irritate me but also calm my skin because I have a lot of redness and moisturize my skin. So I would definitely recommend trying this out. Another thing from L'Oreal, I saw they were giving samples, so I signed up to get this one. I know their True Match foundation and concealers are amazing. I'm excited to try it because it's been a while. And those are the shades. A few weeks ago, I went on vacation to Corpus. We stayed there for a couple days. Then we went to South Padre. We stayed there a couple days. It was really nice. I actually want to post a little mini vlog that I have from over there. We did that. That was really fun. It was super hot, but it was fun. Hopefully we can go back soon. I forgot when it was. I think it was maybe August or September. I had entered this giveaway from this brand called KannaKreationz. I entered this giveaway not thinking that I would win anything, but I saw their brand, their page. I was very intrigued because I love anything CBD and cannabis. I had seen the brand, followed, and I loved the idea of the gel palette and highlighter. So I had already looked at their things and I wanted to purchase something. So when I saw the giveaway, I was like, dude, let me just do it to see what happens. And I ended up winning. Right now what I got was their Honey OG highlighter. It's an infused gel highlighter. I loved the presentation. Inside the little packaging that it came in, it had little green glitter cannabis leaves. So cute. I'll show you guys the inside. There's their socials. You can check them out there. It's all the platforms that they're on. THC free, vegan, cruelty free, recyclable. This is the inside of the box. And this is what the highlighter looks like. It's so cute. It's a lighter. On this side it has a mirror. It's very pretty. Comes with a little slip sheet in between as well. I really appreciate when palettes have them. But look at how beautiful. It gives such a pretty warmth and glow to the skin. I love it. I'm really excited to purchase the other 2 they have. I'll put a picture here of the other ones that they have, and then like I said, they have a palette. I'm really excited. I hope that I can get those soon because I want to complete the collection. If you are interested in some CBD infused makeup, go check them out. They're on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. If you follow me on my socials or like follow me on my makeup stuff, probably know that I do the 31 days of Halloween makeup. So I'm getting ready to do that again. Lately I have not been motivated to do anything, so I haven't really been doing a lot of makeup looks, but I do have a few looks here and there that I've been doing. Kind of like mentally preparing for the 31 days of Halloween. I already decided on a lot of videos, not videos, like characters and stuff that I want to do. I've done the 31 days of makeup, I believe, twice or 3 times, and I like to do them for other seasons as well, for Valentine's and stuff like that. The look I need to do right now, anything bronzy, so it's gonna be quick, but I also want to make sure I do something nice. So I'm just getting my lids ready, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm debating if I want to use gold flakes or if I just use just eyeshadow vibes. So we'll see. Because I have gold flakes and then I have different glitters. I feel like this one's more bronze, but I do like how this one is. She's nice. I have a little bit of this one, and then I have these. Maybe I'll use this and just do like eyeshadows. Just have like bronzy. I think I can go for bronze, right? I don't know. I feel like those are too gold. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a bronze smoky eye. I'm gonna start doing that, and then I'll show you the end. I was about to throw it back to this palette, but I'm gonna end up using this palette for the look. I'm gonna use this shade here, and actually this one too in the middle. And I still use a transition shade, so we're gonna do that. But like I said, first I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then we'll keep going. Hi. So it's been, I think, 2 days or 1 day since I was recording, but this is the final look. I finally did the look that I was trying to do. So I just did this, like a bronze smoky eye with some gold glitter and brown on the outside. I used this palette and this ColourPop palette. I used these lashes from Cosmetics. I think that's how you say it. That's how I say it. But I love the way these look. They're so beautiful. I got them from the dollar store, so you can get them either at the 99-cent store or Dollar Tree, and that's where I got mine. That's their socials back there, and this is the Wispy Full Dramatic. I think now they've updated the way they look, and I think they're called XL Wispy Full, because if I'm not mistaken, they look the same to me. If you're looking for affordable lashes that are worth it and they're really beautiful, check out Ione Lashes. Earlier I got Dunkin'. Does anyone like Dunkin'? Because I don't. I'm salty. I don't know. I didn't really like it. I normally go for like Dutch. I wanted to get some of the bagel bites, so I got that, but don't like it. Don't like it. Oh, I'm trying to decide if I want to take, or actually need to, a video showing these contacts from this brand. Let me show you guys what these look like. Sugar gray. The way my eyes are shaped, because I want to purchase so many just for the heck of it, but a lot of them, like I said, don't fit my eye right. I mean, I don't know if it still technically counts as that, but I had astigmatism. I got LASIK done 2021, so if you look at this, you see it's like not settling. I don't know, but I just need to take pictures and a little clip with it, and I'm good to go. So let me put the other one on. Before I had LASIK, my eyes were really, really bad. I don't miss that at all, but I do wish I did a little bit more research on LASIK without just like going in really quick. I mean, as of now, I don't really have any issues with it. I do have an old video when I updated on it if you want to go look at that, but it's been a while since I've updated. But again, this is the sugar gray. I know they look so weird because I have brown eyes, and like I said, they just don't sit right on me, but I really love the color. I wanted to try it out, so yeah. Sugar gray. These next ones I have are called Twilight Green. It's a big lens. Okay, these are the Twilight Green. I like them actually. They give me like cartoon anime vibes. This one's Misty Gray. So my original camera broke, and now I have to use this one. See, it's not even ready. Real quick while I have a second, I want to show y'all something new that I got from this brand called Spicy Brat Cosmetics. Got a pair of lashes. They're so cute. And then I got this lip liner that they have in the color chocolate. It's so creamy. I'm excited to use it. I'll definitely be picking up more from this brand. I love it so much. I love the girl. She's really awesome. Super sweet. I'll put her TikTok name on here too, so you can go check her out. And that's something new that I brought in. I don't remember if I told you guys either, but I was able to release another lash with Psycholashes, and we named this one Voodoo. So cute. I love them. They flare out more at the ends, and I like that look. It's kind of like cat eye. But again, Psycholashes, I've talked about them before. I'll put them down here and link them below. You can also use my code If I'm not mistaken, they're gonna get dropped this week. So it's a little bit later. I don't remember if I said that I needed to show you guys a packaging from Wildside Cosmetics. I recently became a PR member of this brand. It's a local brand, San Antonio. I'm super excited to be joining the team. I haven't opened this yet, so let's go through this together. First, we have the thank you card. These are the lashes in Ladybug. I love them so much. They're so pretty. I'm really excited to get some looks done with these. She still has more of this style if you're interested. The next thing is this keychain. This cute little keychain. The bottle opener. I think this is a letter opener. And then this cute little fluffy heart. I'm super excited to add these to my keys. I love little charms like this. This is another thing. This is an outfit. I got that in an XL. Oof. Some of these little gems are falling out. She always adds the cutest little touches. Her little package says thank you for your purchase. And it has a little eyelash applicator and I forgot what this is called. I open this real quick before my camera dies. Oh my god, dude. This is so freaking cute. It's a resin, epoxy resin ashtray. Oh my god. I'm so excited. That's cute. And I love the color gold. Now I know why she asked me what my favorite color was. That's badass. I love that. I'm definitely gonna be using that. I'm gonna and a little sticker. I also have a code, uppercase YMSAVE. That was it for that little unboxing slash haul. I'm super excited to use all of this stuff. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi, so for this part, my voice. For this part, I wanted to show you guys how I was fixing my desk because it was super stained from makeup and like glue and all this stuff from just from the year. So look at how different that was. Yep, kind of clean there. But the rest of it was like screaming for me to clean it. So because it's a porous table, I'm going to do the best that I can on cleaning it and then just put this adhesive contact paper. I love using this stuff. I used to put it all over my countertops when I rented. You can put these on your wall, your cabinets, everything. Really recommend these. I forgot to record the way my desk looks. After I put the adhesive contact paper, I'm going to show you guys the final result. So this is what it looks like. I'm cleaning it, but this is basically what it looks like. I really like it because it's easy to clean, easy to wipe off. I like to choose the marble design because you can cut it however you want and you don't have to worry about if it's gonna look uneven or weird. I do like that. I usually get the black or like the white marble. Again, like I've mentioned, I have videos of me doing the whole process. If you want to see that, I'll tag it right here. So I'm gonna be cleaning my makeup brushes today. I want to show you guys this little device thing that I got. I'm gonna try this out, see how it is, and then of course I can link it if it ends up being good. I'm gonna do a makeup look and pretty much it, just like clean edit. I have some videos that I want to put up from the end of last year. See you guys when I'm sitting down doing the makeup. Oh, also I forgot to tell you guys there's so many things that I want to go over. I have all these new products to show you guys, new makeup brands that I'm trying out. I know the background again isn't perfect, but just ignore that. I want to show you guys this cup that I got from Lash Extend. I won it in a raffle and I love how thick the glass is. It's a really good quality, but I also have a code if you want to purchase a cup like that. I'll put it below and I'll put it right here on the screen. And that was again from Lash Extend. I'm going to show you guys the makeup brush cleaner. So I saw that it has these little thingies on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Like it gets stuck to your counter. But I was also kind of like, it's weird that it has a cord and you're going to be using water and stuff. So that's a little bit risky. It also came with cleaning fluid, which I'm assuming is just like brush cleaner or maybe even soap. Moment of truth. Rinse. And that's what it looks like after. I feel like And there's like a little bit of foundation still. It's fairly clean, and that was pretty fast. Hi, so I finished washing my brushes. The little thing, I feel like it's worth it if you like stuff like that, but I feel like it's better as like a gift for someone younger. Other than that, I don't personally like it. I could probably do my brushes quicker on my own, so I recommend it, but I don't. I guess it just depends. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
There was music and joy and marijuana. Tell everyone that you know all my life I've been a real one, yeah.